Hey everybody. We're going to take a look today at the new D4H equipment management app. This is our new app for equipment management. It's in the iOS and Android app stores. You can see it here on my screen. I'm sharing my screen with you so I can talk you through it a little bit. So when you open it up, we have a couple of brand new features. You're going to see this new card-based design. You can see there's a search here at the top of the dashboard. Very simple to get in and search. You've also got recently viewed. So this is going to make a list of the last few things that you've accessed. It's really quick to get back to something if you've scanned it and want to get back to the last things you viewed. We've got inspections due, things we need to take care of. And we've also got here all our repairs due, incomplete due, and what's assigned to me. So very, very simple to use. Now you've probably already spotted this button, bottom right, the little barcode scan button. This is cool. What this is going to do is let me pick up an item of equipment and scan the barcode on it. So what you'll see my camera turn on here. Okay. And so what I do is I go to my piece of equipment, I find the barcode, and it will pick it up. And it immediately opens that item. Okay, now it's pretty instant in real life when you get the just bring the camera over the barcode. So I've now got this 4-gas meter. Let's have a look here at what I can do. This is our new what we call the item action menu. So it's giving me a high level view of this item, and I've got some actions I can do at the bottom. So for instance, I can change its status. I can move the item. I can look at its contents. So it might be a container or a box or a vehicle. I can see repairs needed, and I can see the inspections that are due on this item that I have to do. So let's click in here into status. So I maybe this item, I've picked up this 4-gas meter, and I have determined that it is operational. It's currently unserviceable. So I press status. I can make it operational and put in a comment. So I'm just going to put in the word test, for example, but you could put in a reasoning and submit. And this item is now moved to operational. So it's that simple to swap items. Maybe I'm going to move it as well. So I'm going to press, I'm in warehouse B. I can see its location is warehouse B, but I want to move it to warehouse A. So I press move. Here are all my locations. I'm going to move it to warehouse A. So this will show me everything here, and move this item here. Okay, fantastic. So we're now in warehouse A with this item, and all my audit trail, everything's being kept intact as I'm doing that. Let's go back again to the main screen. And what we'll do this time is we're going to go and look at the contents of a vehicle. So you can see on my recently viewed items, there's a Hilux 151. I can click straight into that item. Here it is. I can see it's unserviceable at the moment, it needs monitoring, and it's critical. So contents will show me everything in it. Lots of laptops, an AED, a tripod, some other pieces. Okay. So contents is going to show me the contents into it, and on any of these items I click them and it's going to bring up their item action menu. Next, let's try out this search. So aside from just in the main screen there, I can also access things on the left. So search, and I'm going to try the keyword search this time, which is brand new. So find me all items with the word tripod. Here they are. Let's go into this tripod 1082. Here's my item. And maybe it's time to do the annual inspection on this item. So I click into inspections, I go into the annual. Here's every time I've done my annual inspection in the past, so I can see any past results here as well. I'll inspect it now. I'm actually going to say that this item is unserviceable, so check all the bolts, check integrity of legs, check anchor points. I'm going to say it's unserviceable. Just put in the word testing and submit. Okay, and now I've created an unserviceable result on this tripod. In the same way, I might on this now unserviceable tripod want to add a repair. So I click into repairs. There's already a repair open to check the bolts, but I'm going to add a new repair. I'm just going to say test repair. So you get the idea. I can assign it to somebody. I can say when it's due. Give them 2 days to do it. We're going to say I've started it, it's in progress, and it was natural deterioration. Fix the things. And I'm just doing that from my phone here. Okay, so I've now generated a repair on this item, and you can see there's now 2 repairs. Check the bolts and a test repair on this. And all of this is falling back here to this main screen where you're going to see these repairs coming up. There it is, my list of jobs to do. Test repair. I can actually mark this as completed. And this is now done. Okay, so you're getting an idea of how simple this is to use. Well, we've covered inspections off, and you can see you can access these through the left menu. So all inspections and checks I have to do. We've got all of our repairs we have to do listed here. And we can also browse by category and kind. So for example, hazmat, 6 4-gas meters. I'm filtered, there we go. All 6 4-gas meters. And so you can see here, it's very simple to click in, around and out to access things. Finally, the last feature I'm going to leave you with here is the ability to filter your location. So if I was going to walk up to a location or visit a location, so I'm going to one of my caches, containers, vehicles, whatever I have it set as a location, I can actually filter that. So I'm going to go to, say, warehouse A today, and this is going to filter everything on this screen by warehouse A. So there's no inspections due at warehouse A. Okay, so nice and simple to refilter your view to each location. That's it. Get on the App Store, download it. It's free to download for all your users, and they sign in with their D4H username and password. We've got rid of that API token sign in, so you're now able to go up to the top here and see all your teams and switch between different teams. Okay, hope you enjoy it, and do send us feedback.